Hello there, guys. I just kind of wanted to show you a little bit of a fun Sunday task that I did over the weekend. So I live in Oregon. It gets a little cold during the morning times, and I wanted to put some heated grips on my bike, but not necessarily having to rip up the originals or go through a lot of crazy maneuvers. So I wanted to show you what I did, and I got the Oxford wraps. And the reason why I chose this is because I heard not only are they pretty well and they work really well, is I didn't have to damage my original um, grips. So I wanted to show you how I did my wraps. And how I did it was I first wrapped the way I felt like it was a good fit for me. And I ran a cable here. And I zip tied it to kind of keep it straight with most of the bike. I zip tied it here, kind of just had it a little bit loose here because I want some flexibility as I turn. And I took off one of my fairings here so you could see this grip here. I wanted to take one side off here so you could see what it looks like. And what I did is instead of actually putting the switch on the grip, I put it on this little groove here. I'm not sure what it's for. I think it's a vent. But I put it here, and I just ran a zip tie through it. And all of the excess cable I actually put behind where there would be a speaker, but I don't actually have a speaker here. So I think cosmetically it looks pretty nice. It took me about, I would say 10-20 minutes, but it took a lot more just kind of figuring out where I wanted to put it. That being said, I think overall it looks pretty nice. And then on the other side I have the same. It's coming from this module here. The main units are in the back. And I have the cable running through, zip tie to here. And actually I like to have these little pointy parts pointed away since I think it makes it look a little bit nicer. So besides that, I also had to hook it up to the battery, which I dropped through here underneath the motorcycle. And I put it behind my air filter where it comes out through here. And I'm kind of able to adjust how much I need through here. This zip tie actually was already on my motorcycle when I bought it, but I put another one here just in case. And I'm actually going to push that down a little bit. So this I can push, and underneath my seat's my battery. So this excess I can just keep pushing, and it's just gonna go into my battery spot. Now I'll double check later to make sure that there's not too much excess or it's gonna get rubbed on something. But overall, it was a pretty quick process. My biggest challenges were dropping this cable down and actually getting it to feed where I wanted it to. I tried to get this cable on the other side, but I had some difficulty with that. And then the next biggest thing was all of the cables that are underneath here, which isn't too much. There's just too much excess, if you ask me, from here to here. There's too much. I don't think they need to add so much cord because there's a lot left over. But I guess for each type of motorcycle, it's slightly different. But anywho, I just wanted to kind of show what my setup looked like.